Hello everyone. Yeah, welcome to our YouTube channel, Ishmael the Butcher. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, we'd like to get your feedback. Some comments will be nice. So today, we are just going to do something that is very, let's say, a simple recipe or a simple way of how you can identify different kind of different kind of parts of a beef. And as you can see on my table, I have different types of meat. I have this one here. This one is another different kind of beef. I'll tell you which is it. I have another one here, as you can see very nicely. I have another one here. I also have another steak here that I will show you. I also have another steak here that I will show you. And I have maybe the one that has a marrow here. I will tell you which kind of steak this one is. So today I'm just going to make some chops, so that when you go to your market or you go to the market center, you want to buy a steak, it will be very easy for you to notice which kind of steak you're buying. So I'll start with this. I'll make a slice out of it. Very nice slice. Now, as you can see, the slice that I've made, here, this is the topside steak. This is the topside steak. As you can see, it is reddish, very fresh. This is what we call the topside steak. Maybe I can just give you a little taste of the topside steak. The topside steak, it's a very good steak for grilling. You can use this steak for grilling because it is soft. It also has a very good. It can make a very good stew. So this you can make cubes out of the topside steak, and also you can grill the topside steak. It serves both purposes. And then I have another steak here. As you can see, it is very round. This is what we call the top rump steak. This is the top rump steak. Maybe I can make a portion out of it. Maybe I can make a portion. You can see nicely. Nice. This is the top rump steak. The top rump steak. It's very nice steak. It's good for, you can use it for making your stew there. You want to grill it on your oven. You want to grill it on your charcoal grill. It's a very nice steak for grilling. And then we have another steak here. This is what we call the Silverside steak. It's called the Silverside steak because it has a silver layer. So you can use this steak for making, maybe you want to make your stew. I'll make a chop out of it. As you can see, this is our Silverside. It has the eye roast. This is the eye roast. It has the high roast, and it also has the eye roast. It has also a very good layer of, maybe you can use this part for making your burger. If you want to make the hamburgers, you can use this part. It also has a silver side. The silver side of the silver lining, it helps in terms of maybe you want to make something like a nice soup out of it. The silver lining will help you. It also has a coat of fat. This coat of fat, it helps to prevent so that your meat can be tenderized, your meat can be soft. So this is the Silverside steak. This is the top rump steak. And we also have the Topside steak. We have another steak here. This is a T-bone steak. We call it a T-bone steak because it has a lining of the fillet or the tenderloin and also the sirloin. This is where you get your sirloin steak. So you can, because there is a fillet here. The fillet is the softest part. So that's why it's called the T-bone steak. The T-bone steak is good for grilling. Maybe I'll make a chop out of it. As you can see nicely, we have made a portion out of the T-bone steak. So it's looking nice. This T-bone steak, you can use it for grilling. It is good for grilling. It is good for making stew because it has a softer part. I will prefer these for grilling because also you will get to maybe you get to feel the taste of it because of the fillet. And maybe I can just show you. This is what we call the usubuko, or this is what we call the shin-on bone. The shin-on bone, it's mainly used for making stew. It is very nice for making stew. So anytime you walk to your marketplace and you want, or to your butcher store and you want to get something good for making your stew or something good for making soup, you will go for the usubuko because of the bone marrow, and also it is you give it time so that it boils very nicely. It will give you a very good soup. So basically what we have done today, we have removed the Topside steak, we have removed the Silverside steak, we have removed the top rump steak, we have our shin-on bone of the usubuko, and then we have our T-bone. So our T-bone, you can make it nicely, you remove the upper layer very nicely. I want to show you something. Now these are part of our steaks. We have the Topside steak, we have the Silverside steak, we have the top rump steak, we have the usubuko, and we have the T-bone. You want to go to your store, right? You don't know which kind of steak you'll use for different kind of, maybe you want to cook something different. Topside steak, you can grill it, you can make a stew out of it. Silverside steak, it is very tough in grilling, but you can use it to make a very nice stew. The top rump steak, you can use it for making, it's good for grilling, it's also good for making stew. We have the usubuko. The usubuko, you can use it for making stew. It is mainly for making a very good soup. And we have the T-bone. The T-bone is good for grilling, and it's also good for making stew. I'm really grateful because you can learn so many things from having this kind of cuts. Anytime you want to make something and you want to maybe cook something that will give you the preferable taste that you want, you will go and pick at the marketplace. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are really grateful, and see you next time.